The Mura, Drava, and Danube, magnificent rivers located in the heart of Europe, form one of the most valuable river corridors in the Danube Basin. With a length of 700 kilometers through Austria, Slovenia, Hungary, Croatia, and Serbia, these rivers shape a unique landscape stretching across 1 million hectares. Here, nature's lifeline supports natural dynamics, biodiversity, as well as people's livelihood. Because of the area's unique features, biosphere reserves were proclaimed in all 5 countries. As the last piece of the puzzle, UNESCO is expected to recognize the landscape this year as the world's first 5-country biosphere reserve. 5 countries share this beautiful area, but also its many problems caused by human interventions. Those changes reduce river connectivity and consequently affect all life in the area. Natural gravel and sandbars are disappearing. Birds like little terns are no longer as present on the rivers as they used to be. Dams, mostly found upstream, severed the rivers and sediment flow. Fish cannot migrate freely anymore. Despite all those problems, change is possible. Within lifelineMDD, 12 project partners committed to strengthen international cooperation and show that change is possible if all sectors work together. By creating a science-based river restoration strategy and a river restoration toolbox, the lifelineMDD project will create a baseline for all future river restorations in the area. A shared knowledge base, pilot actions, and education activities will take cooperation one step further. All this is not possible without local communities which will learn about rivers by the rivers through trainings, a nature academy, and joint volunteering actions. Reconnecting the rivers will reconnect the nature that shapes our lives and secures our future. Working cross-border for nature without borders.